What you made playing the Zelda game on Nintendo Switch. So what do you have to do? You have to literally cook food the whole time to keep your energy and your health up, don't you?
Stem mushroom. Can you help me remember those?
Yes.
Stem mushroom, hardy radish, raw meat, raw bird drumstick.
Okay. Is that... Okay.
What was the first thing again?
Stem mushroom.
Stem mushroom.
Raw meat.
One of these?
A bird drumstick. And I think I forgot the other one. How about... Was it a hardy something or hardy radish?
Radish.
Do we have one?
Yep.
Okay.
6 of them.
All right, 6 hardy radishes. So now what do we have to do?
2 hardy radishes. That's
Okay.
okay though.
So now what are you doing? You cooking? So it made us a meat skewer.
But this time 10 hearts, 11 hearts, 12 hearts, 13, 15, 16. While the last one was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So what's this game trying to teach us?
How to make food and...
We got to use our food to make sure that we keep being able to
it's
play.
really realistic. You can ride horses.
You can ride horses and cook a bunch of food, can't you?
The only part that's not that realistic is fighting monsters, which don't exist.
You don't fight monsters that don't exist, do you?
Yep.
All right, well, good job on making that food. That's going to help him,
I made a 5
help our character
and
win,
I
right?
made a 10 one. Yep.
Nice job. How cool is that? Like in a game, talks about nutrition too.
A person.
What do they have to tell you?
To see a person.
Maybe they want their food.
Here we go.